So today's video is kind of different from what I usually post because today I tried to mine some crypto. Today I shifted just to try my hand at mining cryptocurrency. You can see there I'm using a program called Unmineable. It's a free program that you can download from the internet. Just search Unmineable online, and I'm sure you will get it. And it's very easy to set it up on Windows 10 or on Windows 7. I think they have a version for Mac as well. If you struggle to set it up yourself, just hit me in the comment section below and I'll gladly try my best to assist on how you can set this up. So I just went to try and mine some Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, I have some holdings in Shiba Inu. Hopefully the price will go up. Lately you saw what has been happening with indices and what was happening with cryptos as well and stocks ahead of the Fed interest rate decision. So hopefully now that that has been settled, maybe we should see some movement now, some a bullish movement on cryptos. So is it worth it to be mining crypto, especially when you're using Unmineable? Unmineable is essentially designed to be used for with people who actually don't have those expensive rigs. You know, there are those expensive GPU rigs that people buy for thousands and thousands of US dollars or just to mine cryptocurrencies. So basically with Unmineable, you can try to do that with your laptop. If you have a laptop with a good GPU or with a good CPU that is just lying around your house and it's not doing anything, you can basically put that laptop to work. That's the idea with Unmineable. Of course, there's this thing about cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency mining being expensive. For example, many people wonder whether it's even worth it because of the electricity bill. If it's going to chow a lot of electricity, because you're going to approach this with a business sense, so you are going to try and get an understanding of how much electricity this thing is going to chow from your house or from wherever you'll be using it. And then you need to balance it out with how much money you are potentially going to be making. And Mineable actually takes about 1%, 1% of whatever crypto that you can mine with them. You can use a promo code. I'll leave my promo code in the description box below. You can use that and you'll actually get a 25% discount, something like that. So you bring down the fees that you need to pay Unmineable to mine crypto if it's something that you are actually interested in doing. So, can you make a lot of money mining mining crypto this way with Unmineable? I think the jury is still out because it it certainly depends on what you are doing, what you are using, as well as what you are mining. For example, you can see here, I think this was like 4 hours, 4 hours of mining Shiba Inu, and I got 285.09935213, whatever those fractions. And this is for my for mining it. Sorry, my throat. This is after mining it for more than 4 hours. So it's something that you then need to think about, as well as considering that the minimum payout with Unmineable when it comes to Shiba Inu, I basically need 400,000. I think it's 400,000. So 285 Shiba Inu after 4 hours to reach 400,000 Shiba Inu for a payout. It's not something well with the machine that I'm using. Maybe you might have a faster machine, and I don't know about the electricity bill where you are living, but with the machine that I'm using and where I am, to actually reach 400,000 Shiba Inu, it feels like you need a whole year, because after 4 hours or so, I was just below 300 Shiba Inu, and you need 400,000 in order to effect a payout. But if you have a machine, if you have a spare laptop that's just lying around in your house, and you basically are thinking about mining crypto, I think it's a good start. It's a good start to just test it out. I think maybe for just testing out things without exactly going all out to buy those expensive rigs for those crypto farms and everything. You can simply try this out and see if it's going to work for you. And also, you probably are going to need to narrow down on the cryptos that you're going to focus on. I think that's what I gained from this little exercise. And 4 hours is not enough to give an empirical assessment. I agree. Maybe I should have waited for 24 hours, but I did my calculations and I thought I probably should spend that amount of effort somewhere else. You want to balance out the effort with the reward that you are getting. So I kind of did my calculations and decided I don't think at this rate I'll be able to reach 400,000 Shiba Inu very soon, in order to make a withdrawal so that I can transfer that Shiba Inu to my crypto wallet where I'll be able to sell it on those crypto exchanges. Maybe my time is better invested somewhere. But again, if you have a machine that's just lying in your house and not doing anything for you, maybe it's something that you just want to try. Just download Unmineable Miner and set it up and just let that laptop just work day and night. Hopefully, you can make some money mining these cryptos. Um, if it's something that you want me to show you how to set it up, just leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll try my best if you're considering to mine cryptos and test it out yourself. Otherwise, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Go ahead and like the video. I hope I've taught you one or two things, or that I've entertained you just for a few minutes. Otherwise, if you're looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. If you want to trade crypto, the broker that I use, the link is in the description box below as well. Okay, catch you in the next video.